So before we begin, just some quick thoughts about why being a ClickBank affiliate is such a great way of earning income on online. So first of all, and many of you may be experienced at this already, but first of all, the commissions are quite generous, between 50 and 70%, sometimes up to as much as 75%. There's no need to create your own product. There's no need to maintain websites, customer support, membership databases, etc. And you can start making money almost immediately. So being a ClickBank affiliate is really a great way to earn income online. So what is the basic method, the basic way, and the simplest method of beginning? Well, let's look at a pretty basic workflow or sales flow for being an affiliate. So what happens is you would have an affiliate link that you send to a sales page, and then the if the customer or the potential customer purchases, you make the sale. It's pretty straightforward. It seems simple enough, except for one thing. The fact is that this process, even though it's simple, but the the conversion rate, or the number of people that will actually make a purchase in an environment like this, is quite low. Actually, it could be as low as 1, maybe 2%, or somewhere in that region. It's pretty low. So one person in 100, or maybe two people in 100 who visit the sales page may purchase. And this may depend on the quality of the traffic that's coming, whether these are people who are have a natural affinity for this niche. And even then, the conversion rate is low. And the fact is, these are what I call cold customers. They It's probably the first time they're seeing the offer. There is no relationship. People are generally a little bit skeptical. They're not trusting. They're not sure if this is really going to work, whether I should spend money on this. So most of your customers or potential customers hitting this system here, this sales flow, will be lost. 99% of them are going to be lost. And you're going to have a pretty low return on investment. Whether that is investment is an investment in money, if you're buying traffic, or in your time, if you're doing any other type of traffic generation system, free traffic. It does take time and effort, and so the return on your investment, whatever it is pretty low. So let's look at the next step in improving on that sales flow. So instead of simply sending your your prospective customers to a sales page directly, what is done is you offer them a free offer. You can make them a free offer that is pertinent to the niche, or as it's called, a lead magnet. And that takes them to an opt-in form where they give you their email address in exchange for this free offer, this lead magnet. Once you've captured the email address, you send the affiliate link to them in their email. It can be done in their email or directly on following the opt-in form on a separate page, like a thank you page. And then that takes them to the sales page. And again, if they convert, they make a decision to purchase, a sale is made, you make the commission. So in a sense, this process is pretty similar to what was done before, except for the fact that we now have the ability to capture that customer's email address. So now, instead of simply having one opportunity to speak to that customer, we have several, because now we can send them an email sequence, or we can follow up with them with successive email messages over a period of time. Let's say over a week or month or even longer if necessary, so that they are continually being sent the offer in various ways from different approaches, different reasons why they should purchase. And it gives them the time to mull this over and eventually make a decision. And and it's not only about making a pitch for a sale every time, it's about building a relationship with that customer. So the email sequence sends them useful information, so that you build some credibility and some trust, so that they can rely on you, that when they get an email message from you, it's going to be something valuable that can help them with whatever issue they're dealing with. Then after the email follow-up sequence finishes, whether it's the week or the month or whatever period of time you decide, you can still send them follow-up messages or newsletters. And these usually are in the form of push messages too, that will push them to a blog article on the subject, which is relevant to the discussion that's going on. And then from that blog, they are also directed back to the affiliate link and to the sales page and to the sale. Very much a lot of sales are made this way because it is not hard selling. It's very gentle, and the customer over a period of time realizes that this is something of value, and they eventually make the purchase. And then finally, there are also a new feature called push notifications, where customers can sign up to get these pop-up notifications on their devices, whether the desktop or mobile devices. And again, these messages direct them or redirect them to a blog article, and again the same process kicks in where they can make a purchase. So this is the recommended sales flow process. Yes, it is a lot more involved, but the conversion rate on this process is more like 7%. Instead of like 1% before, it's now 7%. So this results in a 7 times increase in the effectiveness of the traffic and the profitability of the traffic that is sent. I'm sure you'd agree that 7 times is a huge number compared to just getting a 1% response. Now, this is a lot of work, obviously, because there are all these different ways of contacting the customer via the opt-in pages, via the email sequences, via newsletters, via blog articles, push notifications. All of these methods, while they contribute to the sales, but each one requires a lot of work to put these things in place and make them work. So the question is, what if there was an easier way? What if there was a way to make this easier for you as an affiliate? Well, there is. So what if you can tap into our sales process that was already proven to work and consistently generate sales without having to build it all completely from scratch yourself? Well, I'm sure you will be happy to know that there is an easy way. And we call this system the Enhanced Affiliate System, or EASY. So EASY allows you to avoid having to design landing pages or opt-in forms. We do that for you. You don't need to come up with your own lead magnet or free offer to attract customers. You don't need to maintain an email list. You don't have to worry about crafting and sending out engaging email messages that will generate sales. There's also a customized reporting system that allows you to track your results in addition to the ClickBank dashboard and reports. Simply plug in your leads into Easy and we will do all the hard work for you. How does that sound? So before we go on further, here's another benefit of doing things this way, using the Easy system. So there are reasons why sometimes affiliates may actually lose their commissions. The ClickBank affiliate system uses an affiliate link or hop link that relies on placing a cookie on the customer's computer the first time he visits. If the customer makes a purchase in the future, then you are credited with the sale because your affiliate link was used. However, there are some situations where this does not work and you, the affiliate, will not profit, will not get your commissions. So here are some of the situations. First of all, the user clears cookies on the computer or mobile device. So if cookies are cleared, the customer makes a purchase, there is no cookie to tell the system who to credit with the sale. So the commission is lost. Also, many customers use more than one device to access the internet and their email. So sometimes the customer is first contacted on one device, say mobile or tablet, and the cookie is deposited there, and then they make the purchase on another device or desktop computer where there isn't a cookie. And so, again, the commission is lost. Also, the potential customer can also be checking around sometimes. They look at the product and then they look in different places on the internet. They may do some research, look at some reviews, and your original cookie is overwritten by someone else's. Again, they get the sale, you lose the sale. And finally, because the original ClickBank hop links are well known and obvious, someone can simply replace your affiliate ID with theirs and steal your commissions. So those are some situations that the Easy system addresses and ensures that you're guaranteed your commissions. So let's talk about how and why this works. So first of all, when a customer subscribes using the Easy link that we will give you, we capture your ClickBank ID along with their email address. So for example, this is an Easy link which says that this is an affiliate link, and your ClickBank ID will go here, and when that person subscribes, your email address is saved along with your ClickBank ID is saved along with their email address. So every time we send that customer a link in an email or send them to any page on our blog, your ClickBank ID is always embedded and your ClickBank cookie is installed or refreshed so that you are guaranteed of the commission if the customer makes a purchase. So here is an example of an Easy link to the sales page. So this link says go to the sales page, and here is the affiliate ID that will get the commission if the customer makes a purchase. Also, even if the customer deletes all previous cookies, you still get the commission because every time they're sent a new message, the cookie is reinstalled. Even if another affiliate cookie exists on the customer's computer, you still get the commission because your cookie will be the last one. Even if the customer uses another device to make the purchase, you get the commission because, again, the message that's sent to them every time from Easy will always have your affiliate ID attached to it. Even if the customer makes the purchase a week, a month, a year from now, you still get the commission. So just to recap quickly, With the easy system, there's no need to design landing pages, opt-in forms, etc. You do not need to come up with your own lead magnet or free offer. You don't need to maintain an email list or autoresponder. You don't have to worry about crafting email messages that engages and generates sales. You don't have to worry about the performance, because we have a reporting system that will show you exactly how you're progressing. All you do is just plug your leads into the easy system, and we will do all the heavy lifting for you. So how's that sound? Question: how much can I earn per sale? Well, since we plan to keep upgrading this offer, I have not included the answer to that question here, but there is an estimate listed further down on this page. So keep reading on for more information on this and how you can get started making money as soon as possible.